Hi everybody, welcome back to Pure Lottie. I've just finished filming another video and I thought I would just show you guys how I do my $5 DIY dry makeup brush switch. So that is when you want to switch colors in the middle of your makeup look and not have to cleanse your whole makeup brush and wait for it to dry. So I will show you how I made this for $5 instead of paying $30 for the ones online. Okay, so I just got these tins from Red Dot. I got a set of 5 for $3. I have already given one away to my mother-in-law as when she saw mine, she wanted one. So I just chose the pink colour. Doesn't matter that it says anything on it. I just liked the pink and white dots. And then you just need a hair bun. It can be any size really or any colour, it doesn't matter. I chose the lighter colour so then I could see when the colour stopped coming off. So as you can see, I've already used this side and I've started on this side here. So I'm just changing sides purely so I can show you a clean side. I can still keep using this side here. So pretty much all you do is you grab your tin, you grab your hair bun, and you just squash it in there like this. Let's try and get all those loose edges in there. Okay, so then I just grab a brush. It is slightly red at the moment, but there's no colour coming off at the moment on this. So I'm just going to dip into my red here. You can see I've got red on there now. I'll just pop it on my hand. So you can see it's clearly coming off with red pigment. There's red on there. You just jump in and you just wipe it off until you stop seeing the colour coming off. So just for a few seconds. And done. So my brush has still got that red stain on it, so this doesn't stop you from having to clean your brushes properly, but this definitely helps for whilst you're doing one look and you just want to use like 1 or 2 brushes, or you've got a favourite brush. So if I go back on now, you can see no red pigment or very slightly coming off. So if I haven't done it properly, I can just jump in again. And again, no pigment again. So now you can still see it's still got that red stain on it, but I'll jump into my white here. And you can see I haven't transferred any red pigment into my white, so it hasn't ruined it at all. I've got the white on my brush now. Just pop it on here. My white is working normally. And then I can jump back in and switch it over again. So brush that on. And again, it's still a little bit stained, but nothing is coming off on my hand. So that is how I did my DIY dry swatch or switch makeup brush cleaner. Versus the $30 one online. Worked perfectly the same, and once this gets messy you can always clean it. This is just like a plastic, so you can always clean it, and if it gets ruined you can always just grab another one for a few dollars and do the same thing again. So that is how I made my $5 makeup brush switch. So if you liked this video, please make sure you hit the like button down below and subscribe and change the notifications to all so you don't miss any of my videos. If you have any other DIY projects that you want me to try out, please make sure you comment them below and I will give it a shot. Thanks, bye.